Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to calculate number of working days in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So we have this range of data with employees and the start and end dates of their work. Our task is to accurately calculate the number of working days, excluding weekends. To make such a calculation, we use a special function, network days intel. We enter this function, the start and end dates of the work are used as arguments. Next, as you can see, the numbers indicate which days can be weekends. Numbers from 1 to 7 are double days off, and from 11 to 17, 1 day off will be indicated. Since our example looks at classic weekends, we enter the number 1 and press enter. And that's how we calculated all the working days in December. Great, but what if there is a holiday in the middle of the week in the months, such as Christmas on December 25th? We do the following: put the data of the holiday in a separate cell, and now in the formula we will refer to the cell in the fourth argument. So the cell has been added. Now fix it with the F4 key or the $sign so that the value of this cell doesn't change in all formulas of the range, and press enter. That's how we got another day off, which means fewer days to work. Great. We've dealt with this well, and how to make a calculation if we have days off on different days of the week. For example, our employees have days off on Monday, Wednesday, and let's say Saturday. To do this, we need to rewrite the third argument in this formula, and don't forget the quotes. As you can see, there are 7 characters in the line, each of which means 1 day off the week, where 1 is a day off and 0 is a working day. Accordingly, the first, third, and sixth days are marked with the number 1 as days off, and the remaining days marked with 0 as working days. Press enter, and we got the number of working days with such an unusual combination of working days and days off. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.